ancient times, the Chinese have had the saying, "Food is the heaven of the people," which indicates the crucial role that food and beverages play in people's lives. China's dietary culture is rich and diverse, with different flavors of restaurants found in cities all over the world. However, most Chinese still prefer their own traditional foods. Due to the differences in climate, resources and living habits across China, people's tastes vary as well. In the southern region, rice is the staple food, while in the northern region, wheat is the main staple. Side dishes mainly consist of meat, eggs, and various vegetables. Here are the most famous 8 cuisines: Cantonese cuisine, Sichuan cuisine, Shandong cuisine, Jiangsu cuisine, Zhejiang cuisine, Fujian cuisine, Hunan cuisine, and Anhui cuisine. Therefore, there is an old saying, sweet in the south, salty in the north, spicy in the east, sour in the west.